Hello friends, welcome to VMS class. In this video, you will learn how to find the largest of two numbers using Python programming language. So for this, we are going to use the concept of if-else conditional statement. If-else conditional statements. So this program is useful for understanding the comparison operator, which includes the less than, greater than operators, and also the decision making logic in Python. Okay, now to understand this, let's take one example. This program is just taking two numbers. Let me take one number 30. Okay, number 1 equal to 30, number 2 equal to 20. So now in this, it has to print the largest number out of these two numbers. Which is largest number? Number 1, 30, right? So normally how you can compare? You are going to compare the first number 30 is greater than 20. Okay, 30 is greater than 20. So if this condition is true, then you are going to say number 1, 30 is large, right? If this is false, for example, 30 greater than 20, if this is false, what is the meaning of that? The second number is greater. Okay, for example, I am taking the first number is 10. 10 greater than 20. This is false. So in this case, what is the largest number? 20. So 20 is a large. So this is how the logic which we are going to write. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then first number is bigger or large. Otherwise, second number is the large. So let me show you this in the Python IDLE shell. 30 greater than 20. So in this case, this is assume that number 1, this is number 2. So which is greater? True. It means 30 is great. For example, 10 greater than 20. In this case, the output is false. It means 10 greater than 20 false. In this case, which is greater than number 2? Okay, this is number 1 and this is number 2. So like this, you can write the logic. So go to file, create a new file and write the program here. Program to find the largest number among two numbers. Okay. So for this, you can write the first line, number 1, you are going to take int of input of enter number 1. So what is the first number? Number 2 equal to int of input of enter number 2. You are going to take the second number. Now for this, you are going to use the logic. If, okay, it is a conditional statement. If number 1, okay, is greater than number 2, okay, if this is true, then print, okay, largest number is, okay, is, comma, which is the largest number 1. If this condition is true, then number 1 is large. That is what I am printing. Largest number is number 1. Else print largest number is, okay, comma, number 2. If this condition is false, then number 2 is the largest. Okay, so very simple logic. Save this program as program 8. Now run this program. It is asking number 1. Let's take number 1 is 20, number 2 is okay, 30. In this case, largest number is 30 because 20 greater than 30 false. That's why number 2 is big. Let me execute another test case, a positive test case. Execute this. Number 1 is 30, number 2 is 20. 30 greater than 20, true. Okay, that's why number one is great. Okay, so very simple logic here. You are going to check this condition. If this is true, you are going to print a number 1. If it is false, you are printing the number 2. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for getting more updates on the computer education.